Now, my garage is a mess. Look at this. I had to move everything I had. My welders, everything. I had to move it all out to get the Dodge out. Dodge is no longer with us. Off to the new owner. And now this is my new vehicle. We traded for it. This does not run. It's a crank no start. So I'm not really going to mess with it too much right now, because obviously I have a lot of work to clean up here because I'm bored today. I'm just going to put the scan tool on it and maybe poke my head around. This is what it sounds like. Oh yeah, you got to put your key in. I don't know if that's an issue or not, but I always thought that you're supposed to be able to keep the key out, but I'll figure that out later. Yes, it's 47 degrees. 2 days ago it was like 70 something. Very clean. Still cranking. Wow, I'm surprised it cranks this long. Well, it does say it's got gas in it. I don't know if it does or not. I don't know if this is not getting spark or compression. Oh well, the way it sounds like it's got good compression, but I don't know if it's getting spark or not getting fuel. It's had some parts thrown at it. I think both valve covers have been replaced, and I think the shaft for the Vanos, I'm not sure if both of them were replaced or just one. It still has the old Vanos motors on it. He said he tested them and they were good. Obviously didn't get there yet, but let's take a look under the hood. Tinted windows already. It's nice, man. Too nice for my raggedy ass. Let's see if I can. Okay. So it's really clean in here. Supposedly that's passenger side, that's the driver's side, blah blah. I don't even know what kind of fuel injection is. This looks like regular port injection. That's good. Yeah, oh, cool. I have a fitting here, so I could check and see if I'm getting fuel pressure or not. I could also put propane in here. I guess I can just inject it into here. I don't see anything obvious, nothing out of place. So we'll see. It does have fuel in it. Supposedly has fuel in it, and supposedly has oil in it. 11.1 volts. That's not a good reading for AGS battery. Put my John on here. And 14.2, I guess that's 14.5, that should be good. There you go. What is that? 7 and 14. 7:14, everything's making noise now. So that's kind of a good sign. Got some kind of communication, it was able to ID. And this thing has probably a million friggin' modules on it, so that's probably going to take forever. I'm going to let it scan and see what happens. This thing actually scanned really fast. See what we got here. We got supply terminal, that's history, current, ECM, EWS, preventing manipulation, EWS. Ooh, F44 DME. Wow, I really wonder if this needs a reset like the other BMW that I did. No way, bro. Let me see here. Yeah, 2F44. I believe that was the same code. Permanent fault following code is stored tested functional group. The selected fault pattern indicates a software error in the following control unit. CIS. Okay, the problem can be remedied by programming as from following tool, version higher, and V50.60. Okay. This did have a battery replaced, I think. I already have a report. So we'll clear everything. ECM still has something, right? Last time I did this on my Autel, so it was a little bit different. Cast adjustment. No fault code stored for the tested function or component group. Okay, whatever. I wonder if they registered the battery. Hopefully they did. What version am I on anyway? 10.26. I don't think I can do it on this. 10.26 is, I think that message said it's got to be higher than 10.50. So I might actually have to do it on the Autel. See if I can clear this. Whoops. Okay, this is a permanent. Let's try it again. Okay, so I know that's permanent. Indicates a loss of synchronization between CAS module and DME, preventing the car from starting. Often caused by a weak battery, which I have, a key failure. It requires realigning the rolling codes using a BMW compatible scan tool. So that's what I have to do. This tool is not going to be able to do it, as far as I know. I've never done it with this tool. I've never tried it with this tool either. Well, that's good. At least I know what it is. And hopefully the Autel will take care of it. I believe this is the same year as the last one I did. Cranks way better when the battery's full. Let's see what we got. Coding and programming. See if that'll go under that. Let me take my foot off. That thing will crank forever. Backup coding. Coding system list. Personalization. Retrofit. I did find the CAS module under there. So I'm going to try it. Which way does this thing go? So I took it off, let it sit for 15 seconds. I'm going to turn the ignition on. And let's try, see what this does. I don't know if it's going to do anything. Alright, so let's see what happens. Nothing. Alright. I wonder if it's, I don't want to code the DME. It doesn't say realignment. That's what I need to do. Theft system. First download or update the, this thing's out of, I'm not going to be able to do it because this is not up to date. Unfortunately, the Autel is dead. So that's on the charger. And I'm going to use a tool that I've had for years now. I haven't even used. It's BMW specific. The one that I have used a couple times was the Mercedes one. I have that one as well. Worked good on Sprinter vans. It was about an hour, over an hour and a half for this thing. It still wasn't all the way updated. I'm going to use the Autel. I just want to get this thing done at this point. I would love to use this to try it. Let's try it. Ooh, oh no! Where did that go? Probably in between the seat, right? Or, yeah, right down in the middle there. Yeah, just my luck. Probably gonna have to take the whole car apart to get it. Luckily, I have another key. Go under hot functions. Okay, instead of under the actual module. So go under hot functions, and we have immobilizer. Oh wait, my key's gotta be back on. Okay, so we do the DME CAS interface, DME CAS adjustment. This is still, the one's done, but the other one is, where is it? Down there, and I just don't feel like waiting any longer. This is probably an awesome tool. I'm going to leave this in the car, but I just don't have time to sit here and watch it update forever. Wonder if there's a way to get my phone Bluetooth to play through the radio. I'm not sure. No fault code is stored for the tested function. Blah, blah, blah. Continue service function. Just reset starting value program. Startup value for new digital electronics. Only possible once per DME. So let's do a reset here. Perform terminal change after terminal change. Continue. Continue. Start value. Programming or reset succeeded. Terminal 15 off. Wait until main relay has dropped out and the engine can be restarted. So it doesn't tell me to turn the key off. So yeah, let me do this and hopefully I don't drop this key. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Open the door and shut it, maybe. This guy's still going. I think I started around, I started around, I don't know, 12 something. Yeah, because we went to my daughter's, both of my daughters had art displays at the school, and it's still downloading, so it's been over 2 hours. So I'm going to let this, stick this in, try it, and foot on the brake. Haha! There you go. There you go. All right. I don't know what that hesitation was, but there's a little bit of a hesitation. 130. All right. There you go. So I don't know what else. I'm probably going to have to drive it or something and figure out if there's any other issues. Because there is like a tip-in hesitation. I don't know if you can hear it. That stupid wind chime. I hate that damn wind chime. Maybe you can hear it now. Well, it's not doing it now, but it's running.